Uh-oh.
No!
Something has been done here.
Oh my god.
So I'm here today with my little helper.
Little girlfriend.
And today is a very exciting but also terrifying day for me because we are getting rid of the wrap. I already know what color is waiting for us underneath it. The previous owner told me that it's actually pretty beaten up. So we'll see, but I really don't like this color.
I love it. I think it's super cute. I think it's gonna be in terrible shape. I think it's gonna be really bad and I think he's gonna regret it. He plans on putting a new foil all by himself.
I already found a good color. So if it's in a really bad shape, I know what to do. But honestly, I'm keeping my fingers crossed and I really hope it's not that bad because I like the idea of keeping this car in its original form.
Lucas will not say that, but he has this weird obsession with Californication, this old TV show. And apparently the main character had the car, this Porsche, that was beaten up. And I guess that's a vibe.
It is. Even if it's in a very bad shape, but it's actually cool, I might just leave it like that.
I disagree. We're not gonna leave it like that. If he wants his princess to drive in it, it needs to be in a good shape.
I bought a heat gun for this occasion. I also have a dental floss to get rid of the badges and this thingy. It might be useful. Okay, so let's start with getting rid of the Porsche badge. I might actually replace it. It's actually good to use a dental floss. Okay, pretty good. Here's the Porsche emblem.
So he said you have to be so careful. The truth is that this has already couple breaks. Are you gonna break up with me if I do more?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
No. What do I have to do for you to break up with me?
Cheat on me.
Cheating? Alright, noted, no cheating.
It's satisfying,
It's
right?
really satisfying, yeah. One man down. Here you go. Ew, it's nasty. I think someone did a really bad job. But you know what I'm thinking? Once you put the foil on by yourself, I think the effect is gonna be similar. I love you, babe,
but... I don't think so. I think you just need to be very patient.
And do you have that? I think you have a patience for this car, but you do not have a patience for me. I feel like you have patience just for this car.
If I hadn't had patience for you, I wouldn't be with you.
No, I just have some assets.
Assets or assets?
Assets, both assets, but I have a great ass too.
Oh.
2 men down. 1 man, 2 men, 3 men down. All right. I think we'll just have to put it into the trash. I don't think it's worth anything at this point.
But I actually like the idea of not having an emblem on the back. What do you think?
We're gonna see. I think we have to see how it's gonna look after we take the foil.
Okay, so the real reason I want to get rid of this wrap, look how bad is it. It's peeling off in so many places. It's been done so poorly that everywhere you can see the paint from underneath. See? It's already peeling. I really like the color that's underneath it. Please let it be in a good shape. The spoiler was left in the original color, which is such a bad combination with the green. I'm so happy to finally get the whole car in one color, even if it means that it's gonna be in a rough shape. Let's do it. Let's go to work. Let's start with the part that I'm mostly afraid of, the hood. It's gonna tell us a lot about how bad is it. I have my heat gun, which actually helps with peeling the wrap off without damaging the paint itself. It makes the glue less sticky. It would be perfect if I can do it in like a one peel. It's very hard to do it when it's cold, but as soon as it gets warmer, it comes out. We need to get a good starting point.
It smells funny. The smell concerns me.
Woo!
What? Did you get like the cheapest heating gun on Amazon?
Yeah, the heat gun was like $30. I hope it's gonna be fine. It's peeling off pretty well. I can already see that it has some years. It's a 25-year-old car, so it was to be expected. I actually need to change my strategy, make it warmer before I peel it. Oh yeah.
It's not looking good, Andre, guys. The paint is pretty beaten up. Are you getting stressed?
Yeah, a bit, but it's too late. It's interesting because I can see that there's like a orange paint. What is it?
I think you're just ripping the original paint off.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
see?
the orange is what you're ripping off. Shit.
That's why we need to
Hit it well.
hit it well.
We fucked up big time. We peeled the actual paint so you can see a bunch of orange dots and you can see dots that match on the foil. Maybe it's not our fault, maybe it's just the age. But at this point, we just have to keep going.
I think you're netherite. I think it's just some paint on top of the paint itself.
Do you think the blue is not the original color?
No, the blue is the original color because it was also on the car documentation. It's interesting because it seems like the car was splashed with orange color. Like something definitely like happened. It's coming off. Or maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure at this point. Maybe it is just like underneath layer and we are peeling the paint off. Nevertheless, let's continue. As I continue to peel the wrap from the hood, here it's all faded and not really that nice. But here, this color was so beautiful. It's so sad that most of the hood is all faded and matte. If it was this all around, I would totally keep it. Yeah, we'll see. We decided to cooperate to make it quicker. Teamwork
Makes a dream work.
Exactly. Yeah, okay, done. No. Too much. See, it started burning.
Is it helping?
Yeah.
Yay! Woo! First milestone.
Okay, honestly, it's bad, but it's not as bad as I was expecting it to be. It's like livable. Here, obviously, we have a glue from the badge. The whole hood is just like matte. It's not the best look, honestly. Here is a big chip from a rock or something. Overall, it's not as bad as I would expect it to be. Now, we're gonna go to this part. I can guess that something bad is hiding here because I see a couple of layers of the wrap and it's not like smooth. Yeah, this is the part that I'm mostly afraid of.
Jump scare, okay?
Let's see. Can I get some heat? Uh-oh. Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's really bad. It's so
really bad. Oh my god.
No.
Something has been done here.
Oh my god.
Someone fucked up out here. Okay, this is the first layer.
It's really bad. Look at that. Uh-oh.
Someone definitely had an accident in here and tried to cover.
Wait, what the heck is that?
I don't even know. So this is what we are working with. I knew that it's probably here.
Predictable, you knew, but you wanted to see it for yourself.
It's such a shame that the paint is in a bad shape because the color itself is so nice. I guess that's what we call a character, right? A little scars on the car. It's been through a lot. I wonder why on like only certain spots there is like this matte paint. I was expecting like the whole car to be matte like that. Get rid of the last part here. I'm gonna get rid of the wrap from the bonnet. Helper is back from the bathroom break.
Did you clock me? Are you clocking me on my working time?
Yeah, I'm clocking you. Yeah, I've heard everything.
Yeah, I didn't turn off my mic for a bathroom break, so I guess you might.
Have you ever watched Naked Gun? There was a scene like that. Yeah, that he was in a cart and he went to bathroom with his mic. Shout out to Leslie Nielsen. I need to go in like 20 minutes.
No way we can finish it.
I will go like that.
No.
Yeah.
Or you can take my car and I will finish it for you.
No way.
No? Okay, you don't trust me like that?
Nope.
Nope.
It's like stuck in here. Oh yeah, I know what I need to do. Wait.
Oh!
And now we can get rid of it.
Woo! Another one done.
Honestly, I love how it looks. If not for the bonnet, I would just leave it like that. And
No.
And the side.
No, you have to put a new foil on it. I'll be honest with you.
Can you come back here?
No.
Please?
No.
Lena?
No.
Lena?
No.
Lena?
No.
I need your heat gun. You have one job. You're getting good at it.
Just give it some time to heat up.
I can like feel when it's heated in.
Can you?
Yeah. I can feel a lot of things. Okay.
Yay!
Tell me that you don't like this color.
No, I like it.
It's beautiful.
I think it's cute. Let me see it as a whole. I'm gonna give you my final opinion once it's done.
Let's see what's hiding here.
Are you scared?
A bit. I'm just hoping that this is the only element that's damaged because then I could actually just get this part.
Can you just change the whole part? Is that even an option?
Yeah.
It's gonna be expensive?
No. If I go to like a LA dismantler, I should be able to find a Porsche that they are selling for parts.
Let me just go in a smaller setup.
Yeah. I think the sun is doing us a favor anyway. So. What's that?
Reckless driving. That's what we call it.
Previous owner was definitely that. I'm afraid that there is also something hiding underneath here.
This car is like a box of chocolates. What the heck is that?
Okay, I'm not really sure what happened here. If you know, you can let me know. But there is like this weird pattern on this part. I don't know why. See? Actually, it might be on purpose, but I'm not sure. But yeah, much better without this peeling wrap by the side. You can do the mirrors now. And the door. I think we are doing a pretty good job.
I'm really hoping that someone who does it for a living or is a pro at that will watch this video and tell us
how
bad we did.
Yeah, definitely.
Please.
We gotta hurry. I need to leave the house in like 15 minutes. And the more we do, the less idiotic it looks on the way.
It's gonna be the ride of your life.
Yeah, definitely a lot of looks.
In this case, I'm not worried about you going without me. No girl will pick you up.
Oh no, too close, too close. Ow, too close. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Okay, okay. Okay, awesome.
Woo!
First door done.
We have another moment.
Yeah, there's another huge spot here. I wonder what like happened to this car. Like, what are the stories behind all of those little problems? That's so satisfying, honestly. I forgot to mention previously, but basically what I'm doing with this car is unfucking everything that previous owner did to it. The other thing I did is changing the wheels and tires because he put on too big of a wheels and too big of a tire, so it was constantly rubbing. I think that this wrap is honestly another thing that he kind of fucked up. I'm aware that, okay, maybe it's not gonna be perfect by just removing the wrap, but this is a necessary step towards making this car a better one. For those that haven't seen my previous videos, this is the cheapest 911 I could find. It was 7,500 bucks. So I'm not really that mad that there is something wrong with it. It was to be expected.
You know what you should do? Is a compilation how many times did my girlfriend burn me with a heat gun?
Yeah, it's on a bonus DVD.
Bonus DVD. Oh, you remember those? I would watch a video from DVD. That was such a vibe. Just buying them.
Or renting.
Or renting, yeah.
I loved renting.
I loved renting. That was my favorite part. I used to go with my dad to this renting place. Every Wednesday we're renting like 2 or 3 videos. And now we're old, look at us. And I don't talk to my dad, that's sad.
No shout out to Netflix or the dad for ruining those experiences.
I honestly thought it's gonna be worse, but it's also not good. It's not bad, but it's not good.
It has a character.
It has character. You know what? That's what you say. Whenever something is
not perfect, it has
whenever,
a character.
No, Lucas. Whenever something is at the edge of being bad or like questionably dangerous, Lucas
like
says,
you.
It has character. Yeah.
It's like you.
That's what you say about me. You have character.
Another problem. What you doing?
I'm heating myself up. It's cold.
That's what she's doing with the dryer.
The hair dryer.
My Apple Watch keeps prompting me, well done, because it thinks that I'm washing my hands.
Well, at least you're not setting a dancing record without me.
If you know what dancing record on Apple Watch means.
Now I feel like I want to burn you.
Burn me?
Yeah! I'm reminding myself about your dancing record.
Oh my god, this is bad.
Another bad surprise.
This one's really bad.
Are you regretting?
No, because I would need to do it anyway.
Another bad surprise.
It's not a bad spot, it's just like peeling.
Uh-oh. Okay, let's warm it up better.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no! You know what? It actually looks like the car from Californication right now.
Yeah.
I swear. Okay, it's pretty bad. Just look at that guy. It's not looking good, that's for sure. We don't know what's up with this orange paint. That's so confusing.
Perfect. Woo!
Woo!
We've done it. I love the color. I hate the peels and the damages on the paint. What do you think? I think I actually need to wrap it again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was honestly easier to remove the wrap than I thought.
It was fun.
I'm just wondering honestly what happened to this car during its lifetime. There's like so many little spots when it's damaged. One big one, but all of those little things, like something happened there. But I'm not sure what exactly. Let me know in the comments what do you think. If I should try to renew the original paint or just wrap it. What's the good way to go? Do you want to say anything?
Hey guys. Thanks for
Suddenly got
along.
shy. Yeah. Like, subscribe, let us know. Take care. Bye bye.